Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. If you are watching first time of my video, please subscribe my channel. Today I am going to explain real numbers, ninth maths. Okay. First chapter is real numbers. In that I am going to explain what is period and what is periodicity. Okay. See, period, the set of numbers which are repeating in a non-terminating repeated decimal is called period. See, example 3.121 bar. Okay, here period is this 121. This is set of numbers. Okay, set of numbers which are repeated in non-terminating recurring decimal. Okay, this is under bar. How many digits are that are repeating, that is called period. Okay, one more example. See here 5.213 13 bar. For 1 and 3 only bar is there. This set of numbers which are repeated in non-terminating recurring decimal, that is called period. So here 1 3 is called period. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now coming to the periodicity. See here periodicity in the sense, periodicity means the number of digits in the period. The number of digits in the period is called periodicity. Okay, same example you see means in this period how many digits are there? 1 2 3. Okay, here periodicity is 3. Okay, periodicity 3. Same in this example, in this period how many number of digits are there? Only 2. So in this example we can take periodicity 2. Okay, the number of digits in the period. First, if you find the period, the number of digits in that period is periodicity. Okay, just you should count the digits in the period, that is the periodicity. Okay, I hope it is clear. Based on this you have sums. That's what here, what is period and periodicity I explained to you. If it is clear, you can able to understand what I am going to explain next question. See, you have exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. In that question number 8. In question number 8 in the textbook, express each of the following decimal number in P by Q form. In P by Q form, we should express the following decimal. These are the non-recurring decimal, non-repeating, non-terminating. Okay, non-terminating in the sense it will not end. Okay, it will goes continuously, that numbers. Okay, repeating, that will goes repeatedly. So here 8th question I am going to explain. In that first one is 0.5 bar is there. This non-terminating decimal we should write in the form of P by Q, rational form. P by Q in the sense rational form. Okay, through process we should write. Okay, here 5 is repeating. 5 bar in the sense 5 is repeating. Okay, so now first you have to take, let x is equals to 0.555 up to so on. 5 is repeating. Why? Because bar is there. So 5 will repeats. So you can take, it is equation 1. Here now you can find the periodicity. What is the periodicity is here? 1. What is the periodicity? 1. Why? Because period is 5. Okay, period is 5. Periodicity is number of digits in the period. How many digits in the period? Only one digit, that is 5. So 1 is the periodicity. Now it depends on the periodicity. We should multiply. If it is 1, we should multiply with 10 for the equation 1. If it is 2, periodicity is 2, we should multiply with 100. If periodicity is 3, we should multiply with 1000. That we can do. Okay, so here periodicity is 1, in the sense I am multiplying with 10. Okay, so multiply equation 1 with 10 on both sides. On both sides. Okay, now tax 10 into 0.55 up to so on. Now tax is equals to, here if you multiply with 10, this decimal point move right side, 1 digit right side it will move. If multiply with 100, 2 digits right side it will move. Okay, so 1 digit after we should take the decimal point. Okay, so let us say equation 2. Let us say equation 2. Now do one thing. We should subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, subtract equation 1 from equation 2. What will get? So I am writing here. Now continuation. Subtract equation 1 from equation 2. Okay, what is equation 2? 10x is equal to 5.55 up to so on. This is equation 2. And equation 1 is this one. X is equal to 0.55 up to so on. This is equation now, no? Before I said. Now you can subtract. Okay, if you subtract, this all 0 zeros only will come. 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 5 0, 5 minus 5 0. Decimal point. This is as it is 5. Why? Because here 0. If you subtract 0 from 5, you will get answer is 5 only. Now 10x minus x, 9x you will get. Okay. Now x is equals to, you can take the transpose. So 5 by 9. 5.00 in the sense 5 only, no. Now take the transpose of multiplication. Will gives the division. This is P by Q form. P by Q form. So therefore P by Q form of 0.5 dot is 5 by 9. Like this we can solve, and we should write the P by Q form of this given non-terminating decimal. Okay. Thank you. I hope you understood.